What follows in this piece is an attempt to create a remediated book review. While the book review contains alphabetic text, the process in which this book review was created and shaped follows multimodal premises. That is, this book review attempts to see what Shipka describes as the process behind composing. To do so, I extend the genre of the book review by incorporating a reflection at the end so as to describe and articulate my own process and learning in creating a multimodal book review. In this way, while this form mimics traditional aspects of book reviews, its purpose attempts to extend beyond a traditional summary. Shipka herself, in justifying the alphabetic and print form of Toward a Composition Made Whole, reminds us that, quote, a composition made whole is concerned with and attending to the ways in which individuals work with, as well as against, the mediational means they employ in the hopes that this, in turn, will help empower individuals to choose wisely, critically, and purposefully the relationships, structures, and representational systems that are most fitting or appropriate given the purposes, potentials, and contexts of one's work. In choosing to represent my work in the way that I have attempted to choose wisely, purposefully, and appropriately. I too have selected to represent this work rhetorically by purposefully pairing the reflective and process-driven content of the book with an added multimodal reflection at the end of this review. And I hope that this practice of remediating a book review will encourage others in the discipline interested in multimodal composing to further expand other traditional scholarly modes of writing to better see the process and rhetorical work beyond that of a final finished product. How this piece functions then is complex. It functions as a book review, it functions as a form of reflective learning, and it functions as a piece that attempts to highlight the process behind remediating a final text product into a process-oriented piece. Some of this work is successful. Some of it continues to need improvement. Overall, though, this piece attempts to embody Shipka's argument that the multimodal can yield insight into the process of learning in composing.